Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to TheJollyFatElf headquarters for a video that's all about some changes that are happening here on this channel. So for those of you who are new, hello, I'm Misty. I'm TheJollyFatElf. I know it's been a while since I've shown my face on this channel. I did share a before and after picture on my social media yesterday of my weight loss journey, and but that's completely different. But if you guys remember, I was gone for a couple of weeks, just dealing with depression, trying to get my life right, trying to get my room in order, or office in order, those kinds of things. And I've done most of those, including the room. And then I decided I'm gonna wreck everything. And that's actually what I've been doing since Saturday. I had two huge brown desks in the room, and it just made the room seem so small and clunky and cluttered, and I was really over them. So, and for several years now, I've wanted to film front facing as well as over my desk, so you guys could get basically two different views of what I'm doing. I feel like it'll be a little bit more personable, number one, and number two, I was really inspired by somebody on YouTube. I follow her art channel is called Bailey J, and she does a little green screen of herself on every art video when she does a voiceover, and I was like, that is absolutely, oh, Roxy's on the table. You know, that's genius. I really love it, and it's something that I want to give a try. So I don't have an art video for you today. Hello, sister. Oh, look at this. Who is this? Who is that? Roxy, look. Who that? Who that? GGY? She hates to be picked up. Hates it. So I thought I would give this a try. It'll have to be tomorrow because I just... It'll have to be tomorrow because I'm just now getting the table put in place, set up. I need to move everything, get the lighting set up, do a test video to make sure everything is going to work the way that I hope it's going to work. So there won't be a video, a crafting video today, but there hopefully will be one tomorrow. With this, I also hope to do more live streams. I have been going live on Facebook randomly, just whenever I've caught just wanted to. Like when I've been lonely or just wanted someone to talk to, those kinds of things when Rob's been gone. But I would like to get to a point where I also do live streams on YouTube, and I can do that with my phone through the mobile app. So I really wanted a bigger work surface. So this desk is, or this table is basically the same length as the desk I had, but it's white. The top is white, so it's not so dark, and it's a table rather than a desk. So I can easily like scooch all the way down to one side or scooch all the way down to the other side. So that's my goal anyway, so I'm gonna give that a go. So like I said, no video for today, minus this video where I got to see my thighs. So I really do hope that you'll come back tomorrow. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you think. I did post a poll on Instagram, and this backdrop won. The other backdrop, let me see if I can turn you without making you nauseous, would be my IKEA shelf. So I'm gonna try this one for a while, and then maybe I will try the other one. I don't know, we'll have to see. But you guys can feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know, are you excited about this change? Are you don't care, you know, you just want to see some videos? Let me know what you think. So with that, I may go back to a 3-day-a-week schedule. I've normally been doing 4 days a week. We'll just see how the editing goes. If I'm bringing in 2 different camera feeds, that's going to make editing a little bit more time consuming, but I'm not going to make any promises yet. I'm not going to change my schedule just yet. We'll see how it goes. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you. If you're brand new, welcome. We love to have you in our cute little community. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and join the Facebook group. All of those links are down below. Before I forget, don't forget that if you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, you have to sign up by March 10th to get the free kit with your, or free gift with your March kit. No obligation, anything like that. It's all down below. So thanks guys so much. I really appreciate you, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Bye for now.